Hello guys, I hope everyone is well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a very interesting SQL question which often gets asked in various interviews. Let's see what the problem says and what are the desired, output. So today we have been given a purchase table where there are three columns, basically account ID, purchase date, and product ID. So these three columns are there in the table, and we need to generate something like unique product count. Okay. And what is the how we need to solve it, or how we need to come up with this particular column is, if you look at that the table, so we have only one account ID. There can be multiple account IDs, but think about that, we have only one account ID, and we have purchase date starting from 01 to 11, and we have some products like product ID. And here, how you need to generate the count, unique count, is for the first row, the count is 1 because there is only one product. But if you see the next row, so you need to take the unique product count starting from the beginning. Like this is the row number 1, this is row number 2. So till row number 2, how many unique products are there? So there is only one, right? But if you look at this one, so this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth. So till the fifth row, how many unique products are there? Two, right? This one and this unique products you need. So sixth row, also two. If you go to seventh, eighth row, basically the unique product would be, so this product is unique, right? So if you say this till the seventh row, there are how many unique products? This is all also getting appeared, right? Because it also appeared in fourth row, third row, second and first row. So till the seventh row, how many unique products? Two, right? But if you look at the eighth row, there'll be three. This one is the unique, this one is unique, and this was unique. So there are three unique product counts. So in that way, you need to fill the table. Okay, so in this way, you need to fill the table. So basically, how many unique products are there till that row? Okay, it's pretty simple, huh? So let's see how we can solve this. I hope the question is clear. Okay, so now we have this data. So I have already created the data. Okay, I've already created the data. So now how we are going to solve it, right? So it can be solved in various different ways. I would highly recommend you to try it. I will give the data to the description box for you to try. You try to solve it and post your solution. Okay. So this is our data that we have. So what I'm going to do is I am going to write a self join. Okay. From purchases as A, I basically write a self join. I'm writing inner join purchases as B. What is the condition? So if you look at very carefully, right now I have given only one account ID, but it can be possible that in the table in future there could be more than one account ID, right? So that's why the join condition would be like A dot account ID equals to B dot B dot account ID. And if you look at very carefully, so how we are going to think about this, let's say for the second row. So second row, so in the self join table, like in the left side of the table, so we will join, how we are going to join it? A dot purchase date, okay, A dot purchase date must be greater than equals to B dot purchase date. So it's basically what I'm saying is, if you look at the third row, so what I'm saying, join this row with the previous rows. So that's what we need, right? We need to check how many unique products are there till the current row. So what I'm doing is I'm joining this row with all the previous rows. So when I'll be in the 13th row, so this row will be joined with all the previous rows, right? That's the logic. So A dot purchase date, basically, let's say for this row, right? A dot purchase date, this one must be greater than equals to B dot purchase date. So all the rows will be joined, right? Till this point, correct? So let's take A dot star comma B dot star, and I'm giving order by A dot purchase date. Okay, so if I run this, we are getting a lot of rows, right? So if you look at very carefully for 0, 2, for 0, 2 purchase date, we are getting 0, 1 and 0, 2. So these rows, two rows. That's what I told, right? If you look at 5, this 5, right? So we'll be getting 5 different rows, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. But we don't need all of them, right? I hope this is clear, right? So if you look at 0, 4, right? So 0, 4 will be joined with all the previous rows, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. If you look at 13th, 11th, right? So this 11 will be joined with all the previous rows, starting from 0, 1 to 0, 11. Correct? Now, we are we only need account ID, right? We only need account ID. Then we need a dot purchase date, comma a dot product ID, and b dot product ID, right? So if I run this now, we'll be getting this. So I'm gonna look at very carefully for 0, 4, we are getting all the previous products. So if you look at 6th, right? For 6th, we are getting all the previous rows. It's getting joined with all the previous rows. So if I take a distinct count of this b dot product ID, that is our answer, right? So what I'm gonna do is now I'll be taking count of distinct b dot product ID as unique count, right? As unique count grouped by these three, right? Grouped by these three. And I'm giving order by a dot account ID just because if we have more than one account, right? So that's why I'm giving a dot account ID, right? So I'm just writing like this. Okay. So now if I run this, we'll be getting our desired output, right? So in 0, 1, we have only one unique count, right? That's what we saw, right? If you look at for 5th, we have only two. If you look at 8th, right, we have only three because in 8th, we have this one, and this one. This one is repetitive, right? In the first four rows. So there will be count of this, and this. So there will be three. That's what you are getting, right? This is the unique count. Pretty simple, huh? So I hope the solution is clear. It can be solved in various different ways. You can use rank or dense rank or a row number. Just try it out, like how it can be solved. I don't know. I'm just guessing it. It can be solved in various different ways. I need to think about it. So if you have any better solution, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and follow me in LinkedIn as well as in YouTube. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.